Hello students. In the last section we learn about internet and what are the uses of internet and why we are using that internet, okay, and what are the purposes of internet, right? Okay, so in this section we can learn what are the types of networks. So we can divide this network into six types. What are they? First one is local area networks. Second one is metropolitan area network. Third one is wide area network. Then personal area network. Then campus area network. And then wireless local area network. So based on that we can define one by one. Okay, first one is local area network. So what is meant by local area networks? That means a network belongs to the same building or same office is called as the local area network. So see the diagram, guys. So there is a switch and it was connected to some five computers, right? And also here having on switch, it was that means the in some devices, it may be systems, it may be it may be devices, all these are connected within an office are called as the local area networks. So the range is up to 10 kilometers, and location refers to same office, same building and same company and in same schools. Okay, so for example, if we're taking our schooling is based on what network? Local area networks. So all the systems in our schools are connected and it works based on the local area network. Okay, and the speed is up to 10 to 100 megabits per second. What is the full form for mbps? Megabits per second. Okay, and what are the advantages and disadvantages? The advantages of this LAN is it is low cost, resource sharing and security, and at the same time the disadvantages are the area covered limited when number of nodes increases, perform decreases. Yeah, so because the network was within only the limited area, that means within only the school, within only the offices. So if you're increasing many systems, so if you're taking our school means also I can say, so if you're taking whether having in this school having 20 systems, it's okay. But if it is increasing, if it is increasing to 40 and if it is increasing to 50, then the performance of that systems will decrease due to the performance because the as the nodes increases their capacity, that means the performance, the speed will decrease. Okay, okay guys, then the next one is metropolitan area network. So in metropolitan area network the range is up to 10 to 15 miles, and here location is means a network designed to extend over entire city. That means a network covered within a city is called as metropolitan area network. That means we can, for example, we can take the Pallikarne. Okay, so the network within Pallikarne is called metropolitan area network, and here the speed was up to 5 to 10 megabits per second. And what are the advantages? Means it was better than LAN. Because LAN means that network was only within a building, but the metropolitan area network means it was somewhat extended to over the city, so it was somewhat better than LAN. And the major disadvantages here was data rate is slow compared to LAN, cost higher than LAN. So the price was higher than LAN, and also, but the data rate was very slow while we are comparing it to LAN. Okay, then the third one is WAN, that is wide area network. So what is mean by wide area network? Here the range was above 1000 kilometers, and location it span entire countries and continents. So it cover the wide, that means wide itself we can understand the entire country and continents we are covering the network. Here the speed was up to 256 kilobits per second to 2 megabits per second, so it was very fast. Then advantages, lot geographical area because we can cover more areas, because more areas. And disadvantages, complicated and complex. It was summer because as the area increases they maybe have some complexes, um, some problems, some issues, error, due to the speed issues, anything error may occur now. So these are the major disadvantages, and the cost also high. Then so like low security wise it was not at all safe. So because of all that, these are the disadvantages of wide area network. So the remaining sections we can learn in the next class. So first one is LAN. LAN means the network within the building is called LAN. Next one is MAN, metropolitan area network. It is the network within a city is called metropolitan area networks. And WAN, that is wide area network, means network within the countries or continents is called the wide area network. Okay guys, so remaining section we can learn tomorrow. Okay, bye.